Spring has sprung. At Floral Design Institute, that means bunches of fun. Let me show you how to make this quick, easy, foam-free design. Materials are minimal. You want some curly willow, bind wire, your favorite vase, I love the bright colors, and then bulb flowers. Before you begin, completely hydrate them. Get them ready. If you want them to be open, go ahead and open them out. Get them blooming so that they're fabulous. Double check that everything's in good condition. Even reflex a bit, and then you're ready to design. To create the bunches, start with creating a small armature. Using your curly willow, cutting it down, then bundling it in your hands, wrapping it on itself, creating loops. You can do a few pieces. It depends on how big you want it to be. Then using the bind wire, a small bit lashed together to secure that. So now this is the base that creates a framework for your blooms. Then all you need to do is take the individual blooms, pulling them apart. You can slide them through or tuck them beside. Removing the leaves, they're going to be in the way. Through, tucking. You might do 3, 4, 5, 6. Really is up to you how many blooms you want. Gathering them together. Then once you have them all tucked in your hand, again, one more bit of bind wire. Lash that together, making sure that they'll stay clustered. Set that aside and repeat another bundle of willow and another grouping of flowers. Once you have all your bundles made, you can just go back, cut their stems down, and place them into the vessel. You can see I've made some already. There's an iris, daffodils, another tulip, another daffodil, and then one more tulip to finish filling it out. This technique is so fun and easy. You can make dozens of the bundles and then just assemble them as desired. The recipe, oh so simple. 2 stems of pliable curly willow, then 10 tulips, 10 daffodil, and 6 iris. Didn't use all 10 of those. Quick, easy, and oh so fun. When you design in bunches like this, you can adjust. If you have a taller vase, just don't cut them down as short. Shorter, cut it lower. No bulb flowers? Use anything. Carnations, roses, it's equally as beautiful. You'll find more creative inspiration on the website, flowerschool.com. If you have questions, you can reach us there. Now it's your turn. Gather your favorite blooms, cluster them in bunches, and create your own arrangement. Be sure to take a picture, post it on social media, and hashtag Floral Design Institute. That way we all can see what you do as you do something you love.